Hi there, this is Corey. I'm at Porsche Colorado Springs, and behind me I've got a tremendous 2025 911 GT3 RS Weissach in Guards Red. Let's take a closer look. Okay, here she is, 2025 911 GT3 RS Weissach package in Guards Red. This is such a cool car. I did a video on it when it first got traded in, but it was kind of quick and dirty, so I wanted to do a little bit more of a detailed one now that we've got it here in our showroom. This is one of two GT3 RSs we have available. I'll be uploading another video on the black car here shortly. We did transact on two other GT3 RSs here very recently, so we did have four, but now we're down to just the two. Good problem to have, right? Anyway, this car is really well spec'd and has super low mileage. I think fewer than 400 miles. I'll read you the exact here shortly. But it is a Weissach package car. That is about a $30,000 option. That's going to be the additional lightweighting options. It does have the forged magnesium alloy wheels in bright silver. Love me a classy silver wheel. Has the ceramic composite brakes with the black calipers. It's got, this is kind of interesting. A lot of people look at it and think it's a non-Weissach car because it doesn't have the exposed carbon fiber hood and roof, but that's because it was spec'd with painted surfaces. So the hood is dry carbon fiber and the roof is carbon fiber. However, they have been painted. So crucial thing worthy of mention. But you will notice it does have the carbon fiber swan neck GT wing with some exposed carbon there, which if you compare it to this car, which is a non-Weissach, this is just plastic or polymer. So black Porsche and GT3 RS logos on the back. Love the diffuser on these. I mean, everything about this car, it just screams race car for the road. And guys, if you're considering one of these, please understand that they are a very compromised car. This is more of a race car than it is a road car. It is fairly compromising. I mean, yes, you can drive it on the street, but just understand that it's not going to be a super cushy ride. It's not going to be a super quiet cabin. It is going to give you that feeling like you are qualifying at Le Mans. All right, let's have a look at the interior. Oh, and I also wanted to mention we have the carbon fiber mirror caps, carbon fiber window triangles. Car's in beautiful shape, like I said. Fewer than 400 miles. It does have paint protection film on the frontal area of the car. So the hood, the fenders, the front bumper cover. If I were buying this car and planned to drive it, I would actually put some more paint protection film on it, particularly here on the doors, because that's an area that tends to get pelted by quite a few stones. It could probably use a little more PPF here and a little more back here as well. It does have some from the factory, but it seems like it's never quite enough. So anyhow, minor point. So looking at the interior of this car, it has the leather and Race Tex interior in black with red stitching. I believe that's Guards Red specifically. We have the nylon door pull here for all the GT cars. Really cool. Dry carbon fiber, or matte carbon fiber inlays. This really neat dual layer pattern. It's sort of a fabric with perforated Race Tex synthetic suede over it. Has the carbon fiber lightweight door handles. We've got stereo from Bose. Matte carbon door sill plates with the GT3 RS logo. This has the carbon bucket seats, and this one is optioned with the 3D printed body form seat inserts. It also does have the standard insert included, excuse me, in the bag behind it. Race Tex dash, both upper and lower. So you'll notice down here we've got synthetic suede. Upper dash is synthetic suede. I like that because it's not going to get shiny. You're not going to get glare. That's always kind of actually a consideration if you are driving at the track at 10/10 or even 9/10. Steering wheel here has got all of your controls. Weissach package cars get these really nice metal paddles with this really satisfying click-clack when you pull the paddles. And then you've got all your controls here for your Porsche Active Suspension Management, Porsche Torque Vectoring Plus, Stability and Traction Control, and then your Drive Mode selector. You've also got controls for lap timer and Dynamic Drag Reduction System, or DRS for short. This one's outfitted with the front axle lift, pretty much a requirement on these cars because they are so low and there is so much aero on the front of the car. You don't want to scrape it or break it off if you're driving on the street with it. And then more of that beautiful carbon. It does have the little plaque on the dash that says Weissach RS. Super cool. And then yes, mileage, 368 miles from new. So pretty close to a brand new car. Can't get too much better than that. And then the between the chrono clock and the tachometer in that gray finish and the red line at 9,000 RPM. I haven't driven a GT3 RS other than just puttering one around the parking lot, but I've driven its GT4 RS cousin, and that engine at 9,000 RPM is just the most incredible song you could hear. Let's do one more quick lap around the car. Just a beautiful machine. Okay, once more, that is our certified pre-owned 2025 911 GT3 RS. This car has CPO warranty through January 2nd of 2031. It is ready to be enjoyed right off the showroom floor. If you're interested in learning more, please give me a call. My direct line is area code 719-219-5015. Please like this video, leave a comment below, and consider subscribing for more sports car content from Cars and Corey. Thanks for watching.